under the table, man. Then that way you get the other. There you go.
I'm confused. This is just a brown box.
It's just a brown box.
Oh, cute.
Oh, that is nice.
Winter clothing.
Oh,
That's cute.
it's a t-shirt with the hood.
Winter with your boots and some. Oh,
Oh,
cute.
This box must be really good. Knew it.
Man, there's a lot of presents here. What's happening? Too many presents. I didn't get this many presents.
Party tunes, noodles, and totally up. Startled me.
Who brought that?
Lunatic. It says, "We love you, Sophia, lunatic."
Still wants the party.
Did you?
There you go. Have some music.
It's the little recorders, you know, like Teddy's, like the little video diary thing. Journal your thoughts and dreams. Cool.
You see Sophia take a picture. Like an antique. Look at that.
Okay, now it's time for the last one. Sophia. What?
Looks like Christmas here.
She ripped the beautiful name.
Oh my god, I don't want to live my precious name.
So much like her aunt.
I know. That's why I keep laughing. I keep going like this. She sounds so much like me when I was her.
Hope your 7th birthday is amazing, awesome, Lagoonville. Cheerful, delightful, entertaining, exciting, fantastic, fabulous, fun, giggly, hilarious, happy, incredible. I'm not going to say anything else.
There's like.
Look at everything!
Go ahead.
To my Sophia. And then some.
Because it lists all those and then it says, and then some.
And then some.
Because the list can go on and on and on and on.
Happy birthday.
Here, take a picture holding the 7 in front of you. Look over here. No, we have to hold the 7. 1, 2, 3.
Three. Oh, it's a ball.
My bouncing ball. My bouncing ball. So you can play Forster outside.
Oh,
No, you know what we'll play? And then
We'll
we'll
play
play
dodgeball with your dad.
Here, I've been dying to open it because Jojo thinks that it's pumped up enough and I think it needs more air.
We have an air compressor outside.
Man, Chach, that's 2 things on the list already, huh?
what?
That's 2 things on the list that you had written. This
Here's Ian.
And the ball.
There it is.
All right.
Check
Okay,
that
so
out.
Take it to the park and play
Careful,
handball.
careful, careful.
Not next to the TV.
Okay, and here's one more from.
You got one more
Here's
gift.
one more from.
Oh.
Let's see if she likes this one.
I don't want you to get a paper cut. Oh yeah.
What?
Oh my god.
Holy
Oh,
cow.
I'm gonna take a picture of this. Go like this. Take it like this. Look. Let's see. Take a picture, Sophia.
I have like 100 blocks now.
Wow. Can I take a picture of you? Let's see.
I think somebody's rich.
Two. Let's take a picture with Auntie Bro. One. Let me see. Take a picture, ladies.
Make
One,
crazy
two,
face.
three. Crazy face. Ah! One more. 1, 2, 3. Sophia. Ah! That's a great one.
You can make it rain,
You
Chet.
can go like this, Sophia.
How do you stop it, Trevor?
Woo!
Hey, 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 hey,
Did
hey.
you
Yeah.
open